Hello everyone. So yeah, after a few good days, the car stayed with us. Now things are done, and we would like to share with how the new 10-inch touchscreen system in the Jeep Wrangler JK 2012, which actually belonging to the generation 2011 and 2017. And if you remember, this car came to us with a faulty Headunit 7-inch system, an aftermarket one, and it was here. That one was dead, not working anything, no screen, no sound, nothing, and it just no, yep, nothing working before. So at this moment, yep, a little bit remind about the other one. No screen working, no sounds working, no reverse camera working, and also the reverse camera was mounted with a very unusual way that they use some cable tie to hang a net, and then tie the camera with some cable tie around the spare wheel, which was very unusual way to fit the camera at the back end with a lot of vibration, and doesn't make it look good, and also not at the right angle. So at this moment we already finished the 10-inch touchscreen system that would come with the new frame from the side here to the top side and to the bottom side frame. So things back into the place, and we can say that yeah, it looks pretty much like factory, even though that we would say in fact it is only catching about 97% of the factory in the detail, but it looks pretty good so far. Now the system is full package: wireless Apple CarPlay, USB Apple CarPlay, and a USB Android Auto as well. That's the demand from the customer, and it comes with all other things that usual from our system. Now do you know that with the reverse camera, we already remove the old one, and then we create a custom bracket and mount it properly at the back end of the spare wheel. So the new camera will stay very fixed angle, right place, and on the flat line at the back end, so it will give a much better angle of view and the right direction of view. Now yep, just have check over here. You see that you have the steering wheel control button here, and you have few of the steering wheel control button over here, and also you have few button over here, which all of them work into the new system. Okay, so yeah, that's when I press the volume button over here, it actually will change the music's volume, and yeah, that's the way it actually works. And if I press the button over here underneath here, it actually change the station and change the music. Yeah, so yep, all of them working well. Now just have a look at the reverse camera, and instantly the system push the camera up, and it is Full HD, anti-glare, and super night vision reverse camera. Now we move the gear stick, and it instantly come to the front, and we move it again, and it instantly come to the back. So yep, that's the way it works, and everything else in the car's working like normal. So yep, once again we would like to say thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.